So today we're going to learn about function name tuple, and this name tuple will give us basically take information data into a very structured way of names and columns and rows. So something like this, it will just organize them in more specific or more structured way, right? So kind of like sheets, Excel sheets. So we will get it from collections library. So let's try to call that. So it will be collections and then import name tuple. All right. And the challenge asks us to calculate the average. So we will need how many operations that we have to do. So that will be the first thing that we're trying to get from the user. So we will convert that into integers and it will be from input. Okay, and after that we will need to get the structures, this name right here. So that will be data, and we will use name tuple, and we will name our tuple as a data. And that will be coming from input string. So it will organize in this way into tuple structures, right? So the string, they convert into string string into tuples, right? So there's collections. So let's try to do that. Okay, so after that, we have a for loop, and we will running through range of n operations, and that will be our for loop. So that we will calculate the total marks, and we will use that total marks as in we will calculate it using data and input. Sorry. So we first we will have to convert the mark into integers, right? After that, we have we can use it dot marks. We can access using dot marks, and inside this we will have to convert input into appropriate data and structures or something like this. Okay, so input and dot split. So we will use the default space delimiter. After that, we will have to strip the list and then get only the raw number, which is marks. And it will be string, convert into integers. We got the total marks. And we can initialize this on top right here as a 0 marks. And after that, we will have to print, and this will have a format, print format. It doesn't really need it, but this is more professional. So 0.2 decimal, so only 2 decimal place, and we will use dot format right here, and dot format will contain total marks slash n, right? So that will be our answer. Let's sum this. So we pass, everything is good, and it looks well, and that's our answer for this finding average.